National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for Biloxi County in western Robloxia until 12:45 a.m. Robloxian Daylight Time. At 11:28 p.m., a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located over southern Biloxi County, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard: damaging tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: radar confirmed tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.